Hey guys, Universe Gamer here, and today I'm gonna open this thing. Okay. Boom. Boom number 2. This is a nice box. And let's cut this tape. Oh yeah. It's time to open the box. I broke a piece of styrofoam. Okay, so I took this thing out of the box. I didn't want to record it because that would take too long. And I got this cable. And here's the monitor itself, wrapped in this thing. I am really scared that I'm gonna break this. Okay, so this is the monitor. And let's see what's here. Okay, plenty of stuff. Okay, boom. So we got some things that, and I don't even know what they are. So, this is the stand. This is, I don't know. This is probably, this is probably the thing that you plug the power cable into. So yeah. This is the cable that I can't even use because I don't have this type of outlet. And this is the cable that I can use. Probably wondering why I even got a monitor. Because I bought a Mac Mini. Boom. Really excited to open this. I've been waiting for almost a week. It's probably boring just sitting here watching me unwrap this stuff. But it's not boring to me. Okay, end the video. So guys, I assembled the whole monitor off camera. I connected it to my 2012 Mac Mini. Pretty epic, I know. And so, here it is. My beautiful Acer, what was it? SA240y 24-inch monitor. I think it's like 75 hertz. It's pretty good. So yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.